Welcome to Short Movement YouTube channel. Today I will teach you how to add a zoom in and zoom out effect to a video. First of all, import the video. Then drag the video into the timeline. Then place the pointer from where you want to start the zoom in effect. I want to start zoom in effect for this video at the beginning of this video. Then I place the pointer here. Then enable the master keyframe from the video tab. On the video tab, you will find this basic tab. Then you can enable master keyframe here. Now select a place where you want to stop zoom in effect for this video. I will select this position. Then you can increase the scale of video to the desired value. I will increase into 376. Once you increase the scale of video, you can see a keyframe is added here automatically. Then you don't have to add any keyframe. A keyframe is added here. Now your zoom in effect is ready. Let us play this one. Alright, it is okay. If you want to speed up this zoom in effect, you can decrease the distance between keyframes like this. See? If you want to slow down this zoom in effect, you have to increase the distance between keyframes. Like this. Okay, I will keep the keyframe here. Then I want to add zoom out effect for this video. For this purpose, I copy this second keyframe. Then I paste it some frames forward here. Now select a place where you want to stop zoom out process. For this video, I select this position. Then I place the pointer there. Then I bring back the scale of the video to the 100%. Now you can see when I decrease the scale of video to the 100%, another keyframe is added automatically. Then you don't have to add any keyframes. Now your zoom in and zoom out effect is ready. Before I play this video, I will crop this video until this position. Now let us play this video. From the beginning you can see zoom in effect. Then after there is no any effect. Again from the third keyframe you can see zoom out effect. Alright, thank you very much for watching my tutorial. If you find these videos are supportive, please subscribe to my channel. That is the best way you can support me. Thank you very much.